Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the glamorous world of Hollywood makeup with a 10-minute crash course packed with pro tips. Get ready to recreate that flawless red carpet look right from your vanity. Let's talk about creating that flawless canvas. Before you even think about foundation, concealer, or any other makeup product, the very first step to achieving a truly radiant and long-lasting look is prepping your skin with a hydrating primer. This step is often overlooked, but it's absolutely essential if you want your makeup to look smooth, fresh, and professional all day long. Think of primer as the bridge between your skincare and your makeup. It locks in moisture, smooths out any texture, and gives your foundation the perfect base to adhere to. That airbrushed look starts with a good hydrating primer. Hollywood stars never skip this step. Whether you're getting ready for a big event or just want your everyday makeup to look its best, a hydrating primer can make all the difference. It helps to blur imperfections, minimize the appearance of pores, and create a soft focus effect that looks amazing both in person and on camera. Plus, it keeps your skin feeling comfortable and hydrated, even under layers of makeup. My favorite is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Lightweight, refreshing, and keeps makeup fresh all day. It glides on effortlessly and instantly makes your skin feel silky and smooth. There are so many great hydrating primers out there, so don't be afraid to experiment and find the one that works best for your skin type, whether you're dry, oily, or somewhere in between. The right primer can even help control shine or add an extra boost of radiance, depending on what your skin needs. Just massage a pea-sized amount onto your skin after your skincare routine. Focus on areas where your makeup tends to break down or where you have visible pores, like your T-zone, cheeks, or around the nose. Take your time to really work the product in, using gentle upward motions. This not only helps the primer absorb better, but also gives your skin a little mini massage, which can boost circulation and give you a natural glow before you even start your makeup. Warm it up between your fingers for a seamless blend. This simple trick helps the primer melt into your skin, ensuring an even application and preventing any patchiness. You'll notice that your skin feels instantly softer and more supple, creating the perfect surface for your foundation and other makeup products to glide on smoothly. Don't rush this step. Taking a few extra seconds here can make a huge difference in your final look. Your skin will instantly feel smoother and look baby soft. With a hydrating primer as your base, you'll notice your makeup applies more evenly, lasts longer, and looks more luminous throughout the day. It's a small step that delivers big results, making your skin look and feel its absolute best. So next time you sit down to do your makeup, don't forget, hydrating primer is truly the key to a flawless finish. Now that our base is set and our skin is prepped, it's time to unlock the secret to a flawless complexion: color correcting. This step is often skipped, but it's a true game changer for anyone who wants their makeup to look seamless and professional. Whether you're dealing with redness, dark circles, or dullness, color correcting can help you achieve that airbrushed finish you see in magazines and on your favorite beauty influencers. The key is understanding the color wheel. Opposite colors cancel each other out, so you'll want to use a green corrector to neutralize any redness. Think blemishes, acne scars, or rosacea. For those stubborn dark circles under your eyes, especially if they have a blue or purple undertone, reach for a peach or orange corrector. This will instantly brighten and lift your under-eye area, making you look more awake. One of the most popular and affordable options is the LA Girl Pro Conceal line. It comes in a variety of shades, so you can target every concern, whether it's sallowness, hyperpigmentation, or even dullness. The creamy formula blends easily and doesn't feel heavy on the skin, making it perfect for both beginners and pros. The trick is to use just a tiny dot of product. Less is more when it comes to color correcting. Dab it onto the targeted area, then gently blend it out with a damp makeup sponge or your fingertip. The goal is to neutralize the discoloration, not to add another layer of makeup. Once blended, you'll notice those imperfections start to fade away. Don't be intimidated. Color correcting is much easier than it looks. With a little practice, you'll be able to quickly identify which areas need correcting and apply the right shade in seconds. It's a simple step that can make your entire makeup routine more effective. The difference is truly remarkable. With just a few dabs of color corrector, you'll notice your skin looks brighter, more even, and naturally flawless, giving you the confidence to take on the day, camera-ready and glowing. Time for foundation, the secret to that Hollywood airbrushed look. Use a lightweight formula and build coverage gradually. A damp beauty blender is key. Bounce foundation onto your skin for a seamless finish. This technique gives you a natural, flawless look. Less is more. Let your skin shine through. Concealer is our secret weapon for a bright, lifted look. Apply it in an upside-down triangle under your eyes for a mini facelift effect. NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer is my go-to. Pigmented and crease-resistant. Blend with a damp sponge for a refreshed, youthful finish. Let's talk about baking. Setting your makeup for a flawless finish. Press translucent powder under your eyes, chin, and nose, then dust off after a few minutes. Laura Mercier. Translucent, loose setting powder is a cult favorite for a reason. Time to sculpt and define with cream contour. Fenty Beauty Match Sticks are easy to use. Apply to cheek hollows, temples, and nose, then blend. Soft, seamless shadows add instant dimension. Now for some glow, highlighter brings that red carpet radiance. Apply to cheekbones, brow bones, nose, and Cupid's bow. Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector gives a luminous, non-glittery finish. Let's talk brows. Full feathered brows are in. Embrace a natural, fluffy look with a tinted brow gel. Benefit Gimme Brow adds volume and definition with microfibers. Just brush through your brows, following their shape. Instantly frames your face and polishes your look. On to the eyes. Tight lining makes lashes look fuller and eyes bigger. Use a waterproof pencil like Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On for all-day wear. Gently line your upper waterline from outer to inner corner. For more drama, tightline your lower lash line too. It's a subtle trick with a big impact. False lashes are the ultimate glam-up secret, instantly transforming your look from simple to stunning. Whether you're getting ready for a special event or just want to add a little extra flair to your everyday makeup, mastering false lashes can make all the difference. They open up your eyes, add drama, and boost your confidence. If you're new to false lashes, start with something user-friendly. Ardell Demi Wispies are a fantastic choice for beginners because they're lightweight, flexible, and have a natural yet noticeable effect. Their clear band makes them easy to blend with your natural lash line, and they're forgiving if you make a small mistake. Before applying, gently remove the lashes from the tray and measure them against your eyelid. If they're too long, trim a little from the outer edge for a perfect fit. Apply a thin, even layer of lash glue along the band. Wait about 30 seconds for the glue to get tacky, which helps the lashes stick better and prevents slipping. Using tweezers or your fingers, place the lash strip as close to your natural lash line as possible, starting from the outer corner and working inward. Gently press the band into place, making sure both ends are secure. Don't rush. Take your time to adjust the placement for the most comfortable fit. Once the lashes are set, apply a coat of mascara to blend your natural lashes with the falsies. This step helps create a seamless, unified look and ensures your lashes look full and lush. You can also use a bit of eyeliner to hide any visible lash band. Don't be intimidated if it takes a few tries to get it right. Practice really does make perfect. With a little patience and these simple tips, you'll be applying false lashes like a pro in no time. Enjoy experimenting and have fun with your new glam look. Set your masterpiece with setting spray to lock everything in place. Urban Decay. All-Nighter is my top pick. Mist in an X and T motion. Your makeup is now bulletproof. Let's talk lips. Overlining is a classic trick for a fuller pout. Use a lip liner like MAC to slightly overdraw your natural lip line, especially at the Cupid's bow and lower lip center. Fill in your lips to create a base for lipstick. It's easy and makes a big difference. Take your lips to the next level with an ombre effect. Use 2 lipstick shades for a gradient look. Apply a darker shade to the outer corners, lighter in the center, and blend. This adds dimension and makes lips look fuller. Time for that final touch. Dewy Skin Mist Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin. Mist over your face for instant radiance. Focus on the high points for a fresh, glowing finish. You're ready to shine. Even the best makeup can get shiny. Blotting papers are your touch-up best friend. Fenty Beauty blotting papers absorb oil without disturbing your look. Press onto your T-zone or oily areas as needed. They're portable and easy to use on the go. Stay shine-free all day. And that's it for today's video. I hope you feel inspired to try these Hollywood makeup secrets at home. Let me know in the comments which tip you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching and stay gorgeous.